you can get hiccups from laughing, maybe being really sad can get rid of them.
What's the saddest thing you can think of, William?
Not enough jam on my toast.
Mine would be losing all my pocket money.
Come with me, Henry. Come on then, drop it.
But maybe there's something else that would make me sad.
So did that make you sad, Henry?
Did that get rid of your hiccup?
No, just made me really angry. Ralph, what are you doing?
Trying to give you a fright.
Oh, thanks.
Maybe it would work if you gave someone a fright.